Ever wish your iPhone photos could tell a richer story by remembering exactly where you took them? First, let's make sure your iPhone is set up to automatically geotag your photos. Head to your iPhone settings, scroll down to Privacy and Security, and tap on Location Services at the very top. Now, scroll down this list until you find Camera. Tap on it and ensure that while using the app or always is selected. This allows the camera app to access your location while you're taking photos, embedding that location data directly into your images. But what if you have older photos or photos taken when location services were off? Don't worry, you can manually add a location. Open the Photos app, select the photo you want to geotag, and swipe up. You will see an Add Location field. Tap on it, and then type in the desired location. You can search for a specific address or a landmark. After selecting the correct location, your photo is now geotagged. The Photos app uses this location data to organize your photos by place, making it easy to relive memories by location and create albums of photos that were all taken in the same area. So, go ahead and give your photos a sense of place with geotagging.